guys, I'm going to show you some stuff I made today, some DIY GoPro mounts and a tablet holder I came up with for my drone. But check it out. GoPro, stop recording. Alright guys, I went down to the hardware store and bought this kind of heavy duty clamp. You can see it's about, I don't know, 6 inches long, real strong. You got to squeeze it pretty hard to get it to open up. And then I put some 1/4-20 bolts through it. I put a wing nut on there upside down to take up some space. They didn't have any shorter than 1 inch, and I didn't need them that long. And then I put a nut on top of that and tightened it all down. I put one on both sides, and then on this side I put a little ball, tripod ball. I think it came off of an old junk tripod I had, but I put that on there, so this all now swivels in any direction turns, and then the GoPro gets mounted on there. Yeah, new camera case I got, it slides in there. Now I can attach 52mm filters or zoom lenses or macro lenses or anything 52mm that you would use on a regular DSLR. I can now mount and use with the GoPro. I don't have any yet. I got to save up some money. The other thing I did to save some money, this plate down here came with those wheels on it, little skateboard or rollerblade wheels, and it was a dolly that you could put the camera on, you know, to roll your dolly shots, side to side shots. I took the wheels off, put some Velcro on there for padding. I put a tripod ball head on there, bolted right through the bottom. Then that was the tablet holder for my Phantom 3 Standard. I had, my dad has that drone now. So I mounted that onto the tripod plate, so that can slide on and off. I can adjust it any way I want. That claps right into my Mavic Pro controller, and it works perfect. I've been using it for a year and a half, and I already had this stuff laying around. I didn't have to spend any more money. So I encourage you, if you need GoPro attachments, anything like that, clamps, don't go spending tons of money. $2.99 for the clamp, 9 cents a piece for the bolts, I think 14 cents a piece for the wing nuts. That ball head I bought off Amazon for, I don't know, $7 or $8 a couple of years ago. I don't remember what I paid for this case. Another reason I like this case is the opening on the side is big enough for your door to open on your GoPro 5, and you can use the power cord and keep it plugged in, as to where the case, the other plastic case that I have, you have to take the whole door off if you want to do that, and I don't like doing that because it wears them out. But there you go, get creative. Go down and get some 1/4-20 bolts, nuts, wing nuts, and that's the size, basically the standard size for putting your camera on a tripod or any kind of camera mount. They use 1/4-20. So get out there, make some stuff, save some money. Alright, see you guys later. GoPro, stop recording.